Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be simplifying token-bound accounts, otherwise known as TBAs, and their groundbreaking role in the Starknet ecosystem. We're also going to be exploring SNIP-14, Starknet Improvement Proposal 14, which is a part of ERC 6551. We're also going to be exploring the TBA Explorer, right? We're also going to be touching on the use cases of token-bound accounts that can revolutionize project development on Starknet. Let's start with the basics. What are token-bound accounts? You can simply put that TBAs link a token that is an NFT to an account. That is, a token that is an NFT is bounded to an account. This means that every linked NFT can act as its own account, capable of holding other tokens, executing transactions just like your normal wallet, and interacting with decentralized applications, right? You can think of giving your NFT a functional layer, turning them into mini operating accounts. Imagine having an NFT that can hold Stark tokens, that can hold USDT, USDC, broader tokens, even NFTs, and so on. It can claim airdrops, claim rewards, and so on and so forth. Now let's discuss SNIP-14, which stands for Starknet Improvement Proposal 14, which is similar to the Ethereum's ERC's standard. SNIP-14 is a part of the ERC 6551, which defines how token bound should be implemented on Starknet. This is the SNIP-14, the Starknet Improvement Proposal 14 that I've been talking about. Right, you can go through it in detail at your spare time. But what I want to touch on is the registry, which is the one that actually handles the linking of an NFT to an account. Is the one that creates an account, makes an NFT an account. So it's actually like a contract on its own that serves as the entry point for all token-bound account address queries. So we have the create account function. It creates the token-bound account for an NFT, giving an implementation address, and the get account function also computes the token-bound account address for a given NFT, giving an implementation address. So let's, if you check the interface, the registry interface, you will see that the create account, it takes in the implementation hash, the token contract address, the NFT token contract address, right? The token ID, the salt, and the chain ID, and it returns the contract address, the account, the TBA contract address, and then the get account takes in the implementation hash, token contract address, token ID, salt, and chain ID, and then also returns back the contract address. So let's check this image. This illustration is just like an overview of how it's actually like happens under the hood. Say you have your NFT, token NFT 123. That's an NFT, and then it obviously was created from a contract, right? Let's say the NFT, this token 123 NFT was created from contract A, and you also have NFT token 456, which was created from contract B. Now we have your account, the user account, which owns this which owns this NFT, this token 456, right? And then the registry, like I mentioned, is the one that handles creating of account, the one that handles mapping of an NFT, of an existing NFT to an account is the one that handles all of those. So we have account A, account B, account C, and these are token-bound accounts, but they are actually proxy contracts that point to an implementation contract, right? So you can see that this NFT 456 is linked to is now this account C, that is the TBA, and then is linked to this implementation contract. So this is basically how it happens. It happens under the board, and as you can see, this NFT also points to two accounts. So there are a lot of things that you can think of like exploring TBA. Actually, you can have an NFT that is a TBA, and then have an NFT that is a TBA inside of it as well. So you can there are endless possibilities actually. So this is just like an overview, like basically of how it happens under the hood. TBA Explorer, as the name implies, is your gateway to exploring token-bound accounts on Starknet. It's an intuitive platform where you can deploy your already existing NFTs, track, analyze, and interact with your TBA. Let me quickly show you how it works. So what you need to do is to head over to tbaexplorer.com, and then you see this beautiful UI that says transform any NFT to a wallet. So a token-bound account is a smart contract account, right? Okay, so if you want to go through an in-depth read on token-bound accounts, you can click on this, which takes you to the documentation, right? So what I want to actually show you is how to deploy and track your TBA. So click on Connect Wallet. I'm going to be connecting my Agent X wallet. Okay, connect to DApp, connect. There are various ways that you can connect. You can see connect to Bravos, connect to mobile, and connect to controller. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description which it demos how you can connect using controller, right? So what you need to do after connecting to the Explorer is to click on this arrow, which you will see this view my NFTs. So let's click on view my NFTs. So these are the NFTs that I have. These are the NFTs that I have available. I've deployed. I already have some NFTs that are already TBA. Let's see this NFT. Okay, this is not a TBA yet. Amazing. So as you can see, the collectible is not showing anything inside, and the asset is not showing anything inside. Recall that I told you that your NFT, your TBA, can hold assets, right? Assets like ERC20 tokens, ERC721 tokens. It can hold basically NFTs, your Stark tokens. It can hold your tokens that you can think about, right? So as you can see, remember I told you that the registry is the one that handles the mapping of an NFT to an address. So when the registry comes to existence, right, there's already an address that is being reserved for an NFT. As you can see, I've not even deployed this account yet, and then this address already showed, right? But I need to deploy it to get to start using it. So I'm going to click on deploy right now to deploy my NFT to make it a TBA. So confirm, sign transactions, and yes, my NFT has been deployed. So I have the TBA has been deployed and I can now use it like I'm using my wallet. Yes. So asset for now, I do not have any asset inside of I do not have any tokens inside of this NFT, right? But I'm going to like copy my address and send Stark tokens inside of it. Let me copy my address. Okay, I'm going to send Stark tokens and USDT so you can see how it actually works. So let's send 2 Stark token. We have to confirm, and I'm going to send one. USDT. So you might not be able to see how I'm signing transaction because agents have this security, right? So you just basically sign transactions through your wallet. So as you can see, I have 2 Stark tokens in my wallet, in my TBA. Yes. So if you want to send it out, you do the same. Just copy the address that you want to send it to and then mark. So let's do that. This is the address that I want to send it to. Send. Yes. And then I want to send max. Send. Sign the transaction. And voila, transaction successful. As you can see, I sent 1 USDT as well, so I can send it out when I like, right? So I can also send in NFT inside this my TBA, right? So let's try and do that. Let me copy the address and send one of my NFTs inside. So I'm going to be sending my brother NFT. So let me send that. Okay, review, send, confirm. Yes. So let's wait till we have it right here. So as you can see, you can deploy your TBA right in the TBA Explorer. You can manage your assets here, view them, track them, analyze them, anyhow you like. Yes. So let's do the NFT right inside, and the same thing applies if I want to send the NFT out. I just copy the contract address I want to send it to, copy it right here, and then send. So basically executing transactions, sending out tokens and all of that. So it's going to take 2 seconds. Yes, transaction successful. So that's that for that. You can click on the Telegram to join the community and then join the discussion on the Starknet forum, right? So let's go back to so we have the community project gallery. You can go through them. They are basically projects that have been built with Tokenbound integrated inside of them. You can go through them and then frequently ask questions that you may have, and then going through some core use cases for SNIP-14. Like I said, SNIP-14 is a port of ERC 6551, right? So these are some core use cases that you can build as a developer for your project. We have inventory system for owning items, outfit and equipment. What comes to my mind is gaming, whereby you can have ERC 1155, right? The mix of tokens, ERC 20 tokens and NFTs, right? So you can make use of this in your project. Another part is the community loyalty or reputation system. Basically, these TBAs are actually like creating they have their own identity on chain. So there are a lot more things that you can think about when it comes to integrating or building a project around TBA. These are a number of them that you can explore, right? So if you also want to join the weekly dev calls, join the Telegram community and get started. So that's a wrap on Tokenbound Accounts on Starknet. Tokenbound Accounts are transforming the way we think about tokens and accounts in the Starknet ecosystem, with SNIP-14 setting the standard, TBA Explorer making them accessible, and countless use cases of TBA waiting to be explored by you developers, right? TBA, in no doubt, is the future of smart asset management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other people exploring the Starknet ecosystem. And if you've got questions or have ideas on TBAs, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Let's continue building something amazing together. Bye!